First things first, I appreciate your support. Top loader. Once you're done with the laundry, take a clean piece of towel, pass it around. This is the reason you are finding stained clothes after a cycle. It's simple. Don't play yourself. Number two, a front loader. Most people are front loaders, they're more efficient. Yes, after laundry, do this. Leave the door open. Your machine is smelling because the door is ever locked. Leave the door open. And when you're opening, do not bang the door because you affect the door hinge. And you have brands with very, very weak hinges. Avoid expenses. Number two, once you're done with your laundry on a front loader, use a clean piece of towel. We've talked about this. Wipe the door rubber seal. Leave the door rubber seal dry. If you don't do this, expect mold. The machine will also start smelling. You'll do your laundry, a very good wash, but your clothes will be smelling. Avoid that. Avoid that because you will go the other way. You will decide, let me hand wash, which is quite hectic and time wasting. And then once you're done washing, do not drag clothes out. You will tear the door rubber seal. This seal is very expensive. And some of these brands do not stock parts. You might end up disposing a good machine because of the door rubber seal. Let me tell you what happens when you have a torn rubber seal. The machine starts leaking.